The demand for electricity is on the rise every day, driven by ongoing modernization. Renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and others are welcoming alternative solutions for generating electricity, but they are seasonal and not sufficient enough to meet the increasing electricity demands. The present electricity generation largely depend on non-renewable energy sources like coal, diesel, nuclear, and they are limited resources. This new process is invented by Kalaimani from Chennai, India, a result of 7 years of ideation and analysis. This process has 3 stages. Stage 1. Generating pressurized air from sea waves. Stage 2. Converting air pressure into hydraulic force. Stage 3. Generating electricity using generated hydraulic force. Harnessing energy from sea waves is proven. It is unlimited and can be used to generate green electricity. When the sea wave rises, the floaters compress the air using the attached pistons and injects the pressurized air into storage tanks. The number of floaters can be increased to generate more air volumes and can be stored in series of storage tanks for long periods. A specialized buoy is designed and fitted with a shutter which can be opened and closed mechanically. When the shutter is opened, water fills into the buoy and make it sink into the bottom. The shutter is closed when the buoy reaches the bottom and air is released into the buoy using control valves which makes the buoy move upwards because of buoyancy. According to buoyancy theory, the upward movement of a buoy with diameter of 3 meters and a height of 1 meter creates a linear force of 93,000 newtons. The attached hydraulic cylinder converts the buoy's linear force into hydraulic force. The synchronized second buoy operating in the opposite direction ensures the continuous hydraulic flow. The buoyancy force thus generated is technically a free energy till the buoy reaches the top. Hydraulic force is converted into rotational energy using hydraulic motor. Any drop in hydraulic pressure and flow into the hydraulic motor due to buoy's directional change is regularized by an attached accumulator. The return flow of hydraulic fluid into the cylinders to synchronize the sinking speed is regularized by a hydraulic pump driven by a pneumatic motor. An alternator attached to the hydraulic motor converts the rotational energy into electricity. Generated electricity are fed into the grid system. Generation of electricity can be increased by increasing the hydraulic flow and pressure. The hydraulic flow can be increased by increasing the diameter of the hydraulic cylinder. The hydraulic pressure can be increased by increasing the buoy volume. Unlike nuclear, HYBO does not produce any hazardous waste or radiation and is environmentally free. Unlike thermal, HYBO does not emit any carbon dioxide and is truly unlimited. The automobile industry is gradually migrating from petroleum fuels to batteries and hydrogen fuel cells with no carbon dioxide emissions. HYBO Green Energy can power up the batteries and hydrogen fuel cells in relatively lesser time span. HYBO power is relatively cheaper and can fulfill the domestic energy needs by way of electrical burners and induction stoves, replacing the LPG and nullify associated pollution. HYBO power can fulfill the heat energy requirements in industries like cement, steel, and others, replacing the dependency on coal and thus eliminating the associated carbon footprint. HYBO power arrives in time, addressing the electricity demand-supply gap. It resolves source limitations and is scalable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly. Thank you.